guys, how are y'all doing? I'm Stephanie from the Just Gotta Knows, and I know it's weird that I'm starting this video off with a knife, but this is the first time ever in my life since getting Ipsy that I have not opened my Ipsy box before I film it. Cause I'm like, I don't know. I have much respect for. I have much respect for, maybe I should put it this way. I have much respect for the people that open their box on camera because I get my box and I like open it right away and then I film because I can't wait. So anyways, this came in the mail today. So here we are. So, okay, the knife's no longer in my possession. So, first thing we get is a card. Just tells you about add-ons. Doesn't tell me what I got in my bag. So, anyways, this month's bag are these cute little oh, that's so cute. These are one of their cuter bags. I just won't keep it because, oh, the inside's cute. It has like confetti. Really cute bag. Maybe I'll keep it. Okay, so the first thing that I grabbed is this In Beauty project, and I'm gonna look at my phone because I have no idea about what the heck this is unless I read it because Ipsy didn't send a card. This is Candy Apple Lip Oil. I mean, it looks really cute. Does it smell like apple? Yeah, it smells like candy. So, I mean, it's really cute. Let's read about this. Okay, so this lip oil retails for $15. Not only does this lip oil smell juicy, it makes your lips look plump and juicy too. No chemicals here. This naturally colored and flavored oil has a bright red tint and yummy candy apple scent that's straight up delicious. Apply it bare to the lips and experience instant plumping and hydrating effects that last hours. So, as cool as that is. Okay, so next I grabbed this Mud Masky. This is an Aftermath vitamin serum. Maybe I'll need this. No skincare routine is complete without a serum, especially one that's infused with natural vitamins and minerals like this. So, this is good for your face. Apparently, it has a lot of vitamins. You massage a thin layer of the serum on clean, dry skin, wait a minute or two, and then apply your favorite moisturizer on top. It can be used either morning or night. And this little 30 milliliter, 1 fluid ounce, retails for $52.88. This better make me look 20. Does it make you look young? Okay, next thing in my bag is Tarte lip paint. Let me see what color we got. It's Fortune. It's a nice brown color. Let's swatch this. That's pretty. I don't have any browns in my like lip collection. It's all like a reddish, orange, pink, purpley, watermelon, like different shades of red and pink. I don't have any browns, so this would be a good thing to add to my lip collection that's already so massive. This matte liquid lipstick, they are amazing. They're pigmented, don't budge, and last for ages. The dryness that often accompanies them, not so amazing. This lipstick has the best of both worlds. It provides full coverage, payoff, blah blah blah, toasty brown. This retails for 20 bucks. Next thing in the bag, we have this Girl Track. This is Skin Glow Dual Sunset. So this looks like this. It's Skin Glow Sunset. I guess that's the name. Like one is Skin Glow, the other one is Sunset. I'm not sure. There's 2 shades. It smells like perfumey. Okay, get your glow on all summer long with this velvety highlighter duo. The pearly champagne and coral highlighters can be worn alone or layered together to give your skin a warm, lit from within look. These creamy shades are totally foolproof. Use your fingers to sweep them onto your skin. They won't streak, cake, or settle into fine lines. This retails for $26. I don't know if I like this shade. It looks kind of browny, so I'm not even gonna swatch it because either this may go to some other home, like in a giveaway or on my Poshmark closet. So last thing is this, I'm holding it upside down, is this Mimosa Moment eyeshadow palette. So this is by Colored Rain Cosmetics. So it comes in this little white plasticky container. Never heard of this brand. Comes with like a little mirror. And then the shades. Which the shades look kind of nice. They're like browns and nude tones, like very cute little palette to wear like everyday look. I mean, these are colors I go to all the time. However, I'm not going to swatch it because I probably won't keep this for me. I have these colors in a lot of palettes, and I've been buying so many that I probably won't reach for this. So this may be in a giveaway or on my Poshmark closet, which I'm gonna be doing a bigger giveaway soon once I try to get to 1,000. So hopefully that's sooner than later, guys. That was my Ipsy box. I mean, I've seen some other boxes, and so I'm not hating mine because I've seen what other people have been getting, and I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Out of these, I think I'm only gonna keep 2 things. It's okay for the most part. I don't hate it. But thanks for watching my Ipsy unboxing. I hope you guys are having a great day. See you later. Bye.